Hey everybody, my name is Karina. Welcome back. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make my husband's favorite breakfast sandwich. I'm going to be adding pork sausage, egg, chile verde. It's so delicious. If you've never had it before and you want to learn how, keep watching. For this recipe, we're going to begin by grilling one Anaheim chile. It's ready and I'm going to put it in a plastic bag. I'm going to set my pan on medium heat. The pan is now hot and I'm going to be cooking 2 pork sausage patties. We're gonna cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Our patties are now ready. I've set my pan on medium-low heat and I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of oil. The oil is now hot and I'm gonna fry 2 eggs. Eggs are now ready. I'm gonna add some butter to the bread and we're gonna lightly toast it. I'm using brioche buns. You only need to toast them for a few seconds. We're gonna begin building our sandwich by adding mayo. You can add as much as you like. Next, we're gonna add the sausage patties, American cheese. Next, we're gonna add our egg, the Anaheim chile. This is one of my favorite parts of the sandwich. Tomatoes. And last, some avocado. And just like that, you have a very delicious sausage breakfast sandwich. Moment of truth, guys. Cheers. So good. El chile verde, oh my god. You need to try it. And it's so easy to make, super fast. Honestly, better than McDonald's. Alright guys, if you've made it this far and you've not yet subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you on the next one. Bye!